This video teaches you how to fold the F-14 Super Panda fighter. It's really cool, the details are also very good, and the fly is super steady. Learn from me. Prepare a piece of A4 paper. Fold in half along the long side. First, open the short side on the right after pressing out the crease. Fold it in half to the long left. Open the short side on the left. Fold in half to the long side on the right. These 2 points, folded in half again to these 2 points. Press out the crease and open it. Fold it together according to the crease. Align the bottom edge to this edge again. 随办法 The following parts. Fold up along the crease line in the middle. This part here folds in along this line. Press out the crease and open it. Fold this part inside according to the crease. Fold this part to the left. Fold this part down along the crease line in the middle. Restore it. It's the same fold here. Fold it and put it back together. Flip over again. Open this floor. Fold the corner diagonally. This part here is symmetrical. Fold it up and slip it over. The part on the left folds to the right. Take the approximate location, fold to the left again. Fold the triangle along the center line and to the right. Fold it and restore it. Same fold on the right. Flip back to the side. This triangle folded in along the center line. Pick it up like this. Slowly put together. Fold all the GIs on both sides up. You fold back diagonally along the center line. Symmetry on both sides. Fold this corner up. Complete a super handsome F-14 Panda fighter. We done.